What's up, y'all? It's me, Nubia here, and on today's video I will be doing you read the title, pipe cleaner curls on my hair. Let's just get started and parted. First things first is washing my hair. Before I do any curly styles, braids, twists, before I style my hair period, I like my hair to be damp. Boom, I'm gonna be washing my hair. I'll be using my shampoo by 313. And the reason why I just like this shampoo, I've been using this shampoo for 2 years, y'all. I love it. It has cedarwood oil, hemp oil, peppermint, rosemary, among other things. I just love this because it gets the buildup out, but it also leaves my hair moisturized still, okay? And I know it gets the buildup out because after I scratch my hair, all that, I don't see no dirt under my nails, y'all. And that's when you know, okay? Especially under some natural nails. So yeah, I got it right here. I'm gonna use that, and then I won't be using conditioner today, y'all. I'm just gonna wash my hair with some rosemary water, which I just have in here, that I'm just gonna put on my scalp, put throughout my hair, so on and so forth. Probably let it sit for like 3 minutes. I'll come back. What will y'all be needing today for this? So first thing you'll need is some pipe cleaners. You can get pipe cleaners Walmart, probably dollar store, but I don't know, or $1.25 store, whatever. Arts and Crafts, Michael's, something, Joann's, tap in. But I have 7 packs of 25. Sometimes I like to double up when my hair was longer, so I'm gonna see if I have to double up this time, but if I don't, that'll be really, really good. Hair ties, just to section your hair off. And then remember when I said there was gonna be a little twist? For that, if you are gonna do that part, you're gonna need some small little rubber bands. You can get them from the beauty supply store. And then of course you need your typical moisturization items. I'm gonna be using my leave-in mist today. Love this leave-in mist. The company's 313. It's great. I love it because it has peppermint and tea tree oil, which I think is great for a healthy scalp period. Every time after I wash my hair, I'm gonna put this on my hair every time. I will be taking my favorite hair oil, and this is also by 313. I'll just be using that on my hair. I have some in this little bottle right here. So the difference between how you usually do it and how I did it was I did like little cornrows in my hair so that I had a permanent side part, so that if I lean forward or not, the curls wouldn't be in my face and wouldn't be getting messed up. So I'm gonna do a version of that today. I'm probably gonna just spray my hair again, and then we're gonna officially start how I put on the pipe cleaners, okay? Boom. How are you gonna do it? Now, if you feel like you can twist your lock around something about this size, this is the size compared to my phone. If you feel like you can wrap your lock around this, then I'm gonna show you how to do it this way. You take one pipe cleaner, you just twist a loop in it, which should be self-explanatory. I would do this on the back of my head, but not on the front of my head, because I had to use 2 for this one. Now, if your hair is longer and you need to use 2, here we go. Take this, right? Take 2, twist it around like you're twisting it. It works if you do this before you even do your hair, but I didn't, so blah, blah, blah. But boom. And then you twist it at the top. You take the bottom of the bottom, loop it. It's brown, so I gotta show it like this. Loop it, twist, so that you have a keyhole. Boom. And then for this one, you would only do that last step, the keyhole step. So then you take it, I'm gonna put both of my locks inside the bottom of this, and you pull it through just a little bit, just enough to wrap around the beginning of this pipe cleaner. And then you'll turn your locks, and I'm turning them towards me. I'm really not specific about stuff like that, but I guess there is a difference. And then let me tell you guys something else, because I forgot this. I haven't done this in a long time, so. The remaining, I'll twist around the locks itself, just like this. And then if you're like, I need it secure, all you do is press this. You don't have to press it a lot, but just press it so that you at least have some security when you're sleeping. And so it'll look like this. It'll be kind of weird, y'all, but the curls look so freaking good. So I'm gonna do like a little fast version of it. Boom. It's 8 o'clock. I was not thinking that this was, I keep forgetting how many locks I have, but this is what it looks like. Look. I feel like I'm off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz, the wonderful Wizard of... They hate to see me winning, okay? And then this is what my hair looks like right here, so yeah. Okay, I'm going to sit under the dryer for at least 3 hours, y'all. Cool air. If you want some cool air, Easy Easy is there. Sunlight. Okay, this is what it looks like. I don't know, y'all. Y'all like it? It's a little different vibe. It's a different vibe. I know y'all see my thingy, but I actually like it. Let me do a microwave test. I feel like the black Ice Spice, even though she is black, but still, I feel like the Black Earth's Ice Spice. Okay, boom, boom, boom. And keep watching my vlogs to see how long these curls last. I really do want to wash my hair like a week after this, but I know that these curls could last me like 2 weeks. I feel like they could last me a whole month. I'm not gonna lie. Like by the end of the month, they may be to the shoulders, but they're gonna be looking cute. Okay, so I'll catch y'all later. All right, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, I will be putting in some pictures at the end of this video, some videos and everything like that. And if you guys have any other lock questions, video requests, any video requests, comment them down below. I'll be sure to respond and get right to it. All right, see y'all later. Okay, bye.